Hi, it's Nick from Digital Yacht at the Seattle 2024 boat show. And we've had an opportunity to show off our latest range of Aqua PCs. So these are PCs designed for boats. They run directly on the boat's DC battery system, available as either 12 volt or 24 volt models. And there's two models available, an Aqua Standard, which is based around an Intel i3, 8 gigabytes of RAM. It's the latest 11th generation processor running Windows 11. And a solid state, of course, ruggedized hard drive inside, so no moving parts around the electronics. We also do an i7 model, the Pro Plus. That's really designed for more sophisticated applications, in particular commercial fishing applications using 3D bathymetry and so on. But for most marine charting applications, just the basic Aqua Standard PC will be good. It's also been optimized for low power consumption. So despite the power of the units, the i3 consumes just 20 watts of energy. We typically pair it up with our 24-inch monitor, ideal for wheelhouse and chart table operation. And we've got a great application here running on the top, Maxi Timezero. They've just delivered their latest version of software, version 5, which can be bundled onto the PC. Now, Maxi is a super program to operate. You get a choice of either vector cartography, their new Maxi charts. You can also have raster cartography as well. So you can mix and match raster and vector type cartography, AIS overlays, full instrument interfacing, and so on. And we also offer a USB NMEA 2000 interface. So basically that's our Aqua PC range, available now, and more details on our website online. Thanks very much for listening.